Hello there, beautiful people. This is me, Safura Rahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to address a very common problem among people who are learning or trying to speak English. See, many people understand the language but struggle with speaking fluently. If this sounds like you, do not worry, you're not alone. In this video, we are going to share some tips and strategies to help you overcome this problem and improve your speaking skills. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on your journey to fluency in English. So, what commonly happens is we could understand English completely, but when it comes to speaking in English, the other side of the language, we are unable to. So, there is this frustrating gap between these two pillars. So, today, firstly, let's change our negative attitude towards this language. See, do not just focus on that you are unable to speak. See the positive side as well. You are at least understanding the language, right? So now you don't have to start from scratch or zero to learn this. You have already got a great head start. Now you just have to build it step by step. See, we have to keep this thing in our mind. It's not our mother tongue, so it is okay to not be fluent the very first time. We have to work on it. Here are some tips to help you overcome the problem of not being able to speak even though you understand English. So let's get started. First one is practice. Just actively do it. Speak up. You don't have to always wait for the situations to be created around you. For somebody to come up to you and speak to you in the language, create it for yourself. Go and talk to someone. That's how you learn. And the second one is listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and try to imitate their pronunciations and intonations. Try to adapt their style. Later, create your own style. And the third one is find a speaking partner. Find someone who you can practice speaking with. It could be a friend, family member, or language exchange partner. I have already shared some great apps that can help you finding a speaking partner for yourself. Lastly, I would say, I know you're hesitant, you're scared people make fun of you, they're gonna mock you, but nobody cares about you as much as you do. Simple. Haven't you heard about spotlight effect? So it would means there's this spotlight falling on me and I'm the most important person and everyone is looking at me, talking about me. No matter how important you are to yourself, you can never be that important to others. So that is one thing you need to remind yourself. So just stop paying so much attention to what others will say or think. Do not add value to these things. Just focus on yourself and your learning journey. Keep working at it and you will be speaking fluently in no time. So that is it for today. I hope you have got an idea how to head start your journey. So let's learn together and grow together. I'll come up with another such amazing video. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy learnings.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Master Your English channel. And feel free to check out the other good stuff created by Safura Rahim. Happy learnings.